Welcome to Moneypex Practice Manager. In this video we are going to show you how to import clients from Company's House. From the top menu under Clients, select Import from Company's House. Enter company number and click Search button. It will pull details of the company from Company's House. Here you can see the details like address, persons, etc. Once ready, click Import button. Now it shows a dialog with options to fill in. You need to add the reference number, like for example if you usually use Ltd for limited companies, add 01, see how directors' reference numbers is getting auto-populated. In some cases you might already have this person added as a director or contact for another company in the system and you do not want to add them again, you can simply click Exclude and these persons will not be imported. Jobs, deadlines, everything else will be imported from Company's House. Click Save and the company is imported successfully. Visit our YouTube channel for more video tutorials and thank you for watching.